You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you.
Hello friends, and welcome to another Sunday Reset. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kelly and I am so happy to have you here, and I really do appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to come and spend some time with me. So on this Sunday, I am just doing some of the typical chores that I would normally do. Things like laundry. I don't think anybody's laundry is ever fully completed, and there's just two of us in the house. So again, just doing another load of laundry, and then I'm going to spend some time in this back hallway. It is our laundry room / mud room. We do come in from the garage here, so I'm just going to give it a quick dusting and vacuuming and wipe down. And then I am going to take some of our winter coats from this back hallway and move them out and bring in our spring jackets. I do live in Canada, so oh my goodness, it's May. I really do hope I am done with my winter jackets. And now I'm just going to let the music play and let you enjoy that. And if you feel like joining me in cleaning and organizing, let's get up and do it together.
Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had, yet none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
I could dry out in the sun for you, follow the deep dark ocean down. For you I'd build the biggest kite and spend all of my time giggling. Daydreaming is my new middle name. This is not a game for me. Imagining is my new best friend, and ready's all I see. I got a PhD in love. Every step, every breath for you. My head's up over the clouds for you. If there's a valley, I'd build a bridge so that you could get by. Without growing so we could fly. Daydreaming is my new middle name. there's no guarantee in love. No, we just have to wait and see. Daydreaming is my new middle name. This is not a game.
Now I'm just going to give this bathroom a quick wipe down as well. This is on our main floor, so anybody that comes over will use it. I'm not going to show you all the gory details of this because I don't think anybody really needs to see me clean a toilet and all that, but I am going to give this room a wipe down with some Lysol and just get it nice and fresh and clean for any guests.
Red is all I see. Got a PhD in love. Oh, I got a PhD in love. Oh.
Now I'm going to head outside to my front porch, and yes, this is my Christmas planter that I used at Christmas time, but honestly, the branches get frozen into the soil on the front porch, so I do have to wait to the spring when I can take them out. But it was so funny, these if you think your Christmas trees get dry at Christmas time, oh, these were just falling everywhere. But it was such a beautiful day. It felt so good to get outside, get some fresh air, and get this finally off my front porch.
The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem.
So cleaning up the front porch, getting rid of that Christmas planter really got me inspired, and I wanted to put a new wreath on my front door for the time being. I've had this eucalyptus wreath for a number of years. I got it from IKEA. I think it was at least 4 years ago. And then I just went into my faux floral stash to see what I had, to see what I wanted to put on the wreath. And I am just going to use some wire here. I'm not going to hot glue anything on because I do change up my wreaths quite often. So I thought just adding on some beautiful white creamy tulips with this green and a small black bow would just give my front door that much needed little perk for springtime.
If you found a way out, come seek me out.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile.
And here's the wreath going up on the front door. I love it, but I found that once I hung it, the poor little tulips were falling forward. So I did go back and get some more wire, and I think I used pipe cleaner this time, just to get them into place on the door and so that they weren't falling off the wreath. And here's how it looks in the end. It turned out so cute.
If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes.
Well, that wraps up today's Sunday Reset. I am going to take a break now, take my tea, fold some laundry, and watch some of my favorite YouTubers and get some inspiration myself. I hope that you got some motivation out of this to tackle a few things on your Sunday that will set you up for a great start to the rest of your week. And until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.
Problems will fade.